TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. 10 a.m. Let's see what we have happening in the markets for 3 quick minutes as we're relatively mixed to start off the trading session. Looking at Dow Jones up 13 points, trading 22,345. NASDAQ off 3 points, trading 64.52. And S&P flat 25.04. Jumping over to the VIX as we were under $10 and a 9 handle. 985 was the low this morning. Market opens, pulls back slightly. We were higher pre-market as we came in. VIX climbing slightly, 10.07. Not far from that 9 handle, though, and not much premium priced into that market. That is for sure. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, see what else we have happening in the variety of these indices. Here's our S&P 500 this morning, bouncing around, and we'll zoom it in a little bit so you can even see that pullback from the open. So there's that opening bar, 935. As we slid a little bit, we're as high as almost 25.05, off a few points in the S&P from the open, but still relatively mixed S&P 500. Jumping over to the NASDAQ 100, somewhat of a similar open, pulling back slightly from the higher pre-market number. NASDAQ 100 currently trading at 59.82. We'll see how that shakes out. We had the euro US dollar up there. That's not cooperating, but natural gas 314 currently. Jumping over to crude oil, pulling back. We're as high as 50.80 just at 7 a.m. Eastern time this morning. Crude struggling to maintain price as we speak, dropping lower, $50.25. We have API coming out tonight after the closing bell, and of course EIA inventories every Wednesday, 10:30 a.m. Eastern time for crude oil. We'll see how that market is affected. And gold, 13.13, climbing higher. We're about 13.11 this morning, a couple dollars higher for the session so far. And what else we have going on? Jumping over to some of the fundamental news stories. We have Trump speaking to the United Nations UN address today. We had Toys R Us declaring bankruptcy. Great article on Bloomberg speaking how the credit traders were completely caught off guard, and some pretty astounding numbers here in terms of what those bonds were being priced at just September 5th versus obviously what they're being priced at after they announced their bankruptcy today. And of course, Equifax still in news that they suffered a hack almost 5 months earlier than the date they disclosed it. And let's jump over to Equifax as we finish this up, because not too much action really when you look at that news. But guess what? They've already had that action coming off those highs far back even. We'll wrap it up. There you go. Stay tuned. I'm coming right back with Mr. Basil Chapman right now, folks.